this is Shakeima Chatman, owner of the Chatman Group with Carolina Elite Real Estate, also author of the book Possess the Land, The Believer's Guide to Home Buying. Today I want to extend a special invitation to you. Are you someone who has the desire to buy a home but you haven't quite crossed that finish line? Are you looking for answers on how to get started? Or maybe you've gotten started and then you've encountered stumbling blocks. If any of those resonate with you, then you are exactly who I need to see on July 13th, 2019 at the Holiday Inn Express, 7670 Northwoods Boulevard. I'm hosting a special Possess the Land Home Buyers Workshop based on my book, Possess the Land, The Believer's Guide to Home Buying. During this workshop, we will not only tell you how to buy a home, but we will give you spiritual and practical tools to actually get there. We're calling it a workshop because that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to put in the work necessary for you to purchase a home. I will have on site with me loan officers who are prepared to help you run your credit and give you the tips and information that you need to be qualified. Not only will you have that information, I'm going to give you a special workbook that you can take home that will serve as your action plan to get you into a home. See, my book is based on Deuteronomy 1:8, where God made a special promise to the children of Israel when he told them, look, I've given this land to you. Go in and possess it. This is a promise that he made to Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and his ancestors. And guess who those ancestors are? That's us. And so because he gave those promises to them, that promise still resides and works for us today. But in that scripture, he tells us that we have to go in and possess it. Those are action words. So if you're ready to take the action that is going to require to get into a home, meet me on July 13th at the Holiday Inn Express. You can register by clicking on the link, and I'll see you there.